Abusia ene Tuesday me ma adwen se nkana de me rest nso ese ye dada so ye dana so ne yanti asen fufa ne yechi enti me ma adwen se ne kra de ka me video bia but e was me ye ene ye papa his excellency John Dramani Mahama aya de bi na e was ye ka ho asem e wo channel we so abusia o mo de subscription like na ebuso kunu ngonya kakraka tam tuku si egu fufuo so na tie nsem no kakra we e good news na nso so no ye faso na ye san de atonkra e de ama aban ene ne mpanifo ye hu se omo ye bi nti na wo se omo ye no mo ye nyina okudito ablakwa aye ne de nti minister ye ne de obi ye ne de na me channel on one particular video bi so or Maghreb a page already na medikan eti no budget ni mu a budget na honorable at force in eco ready ye e parliament house no na me nyantie mu code no se me do fi mawi ni mawi akọwi egu ha okeke twini bi afrafra am insurance ni mu ye abusia one particular thing bi amaka ho asem de bi adam akoma so de bi na ma de fire honorable Sam George say Sam George ye di wa no odin pa yi anka wa communication minister idea ka oba pre enima bi ehuhia te say the lighting system no network papa ohun wa tete internet so na oni road for na kasa na ya kwan bi anye ye the one major kwan dem akoma so nti me ye this particular video me ma dwese nek me rest da busia aye Kumasi Accra road no sa stretch na busia 6 hours what take mu a ebi bit ma take 7 hours na oti anye na o ka o tie ko pai say o baby network kran so ni a waso be shi pa na ba even ni spare waso be shi abusia yetimi bo barrier kwan so anajo na ye robo nkrofo esi ni yanka sama ko to bi mu da otweda po kwame basi yadom nko a na etwitwaje ya enna yehusan ya ye ho wo montimi anye ye hwe abusia so be flip police kura kwan so man beba no enye barrier be ben mu ana se police fu bi mu petrol no ma be pie mu so a e be bo achibidi but omo budget na obo mu se omo be yese akwan no between 3 years ya aka o Yura Mahama enemy or the 3 years na e ba be yese akwan no Kumasi Accra road me ya sure so wate ba mu chichi mu na bia wan hye denti ni abusia ye bekọ ye ni abema Maghreb TV Maghreb credit ne nkoma no watana se akyeretirim eyim baako e de abaye nyina abusia na se kwan no aban etimbo ho modern ama mu ye bi nko ade a ebete the distance of Accra ni Kumasi 6 hours 7 hours we dem fa 6 hours na normal we are idea wa be fa kwan ni so bi a wo mfa suru bia no be sure say bia e be 3 hours and na say bia 2 hours 30 minutes and a bit my be 4 hours e de amount e ba sa ye ho beto e and o any 3 lanes o ha 3 te be ma accident so atekakra kwan bi accident so no matter kwan papa ye se driver ne sabi wajimi nko ade ya ba ko boba akudi ma accident ide esi ana se obe overtaking ama ebi ide accident akwa kwesi no matter kwan se de city but e be boa emeso ate two plaza on person de ba so fire station ni nema keke ka ho already fire service for Ghana for ye bashi wo na omo mantem na onyo moduma ye omoji peso but omba kwan ne so accident bi crazy they will go there and make sure somebody rescue confront them obi ho a e was rescue in them before crime plans and we want the AC entini na betimi aboa wo sa kwan so e de tobuti na abeba kwan so beboa ama kwan abadie wo Accra Kumasi road ye ho ayre atoye enti abusia wo de yankore kwahwemra yemra ne Yura Mahama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama endinkomo o fianum sei Jami Media o mo de subscribe channel like na buso ko ngonye kakaka kai se wo hwe video yi so wo be share your thought with me on the comment section for adwen kire for to comment section ni nso yehu oso di wo trip abusia yenkomra that's it.
One thing I think is that it deserves kind of its dedicated video, which is the Accra Kumasi Express Highway.
This project is more than a road. It is a catalyst for transformation.
Basically, a new highway aside already now that why you fast from Accra to Kumasi no. A new one at this government almost won't take it 3 years. So by the time President Mahama Befra Baimuno, not this new highway that we see it's done. If this is successful, Abusia, that is just amazing news, Ankasa.
It will spark the development of new industrial parks, logistics hubs, storage centers, and service economies along its length.
Because for a month, why you first acquire each year be from Accra to B, Abusia not just Kumasi but B. At least when you are traveling from Accra to Kumasi, it takes about 5 hours, 6 hours and stuff. Sometimes if traffic go Which him chow kwai no so pa. So if the government of Ghana say what be a new road that cars bet me faso. Now for the already now the congested road that cars fast or even accidents because that is the only highway I walk from Accra to Kumasi no. That's pressure, that's what the time no. Nkonko was to be and then there is going to be this new one within 3 years.
The Accra-Kumasi Expressway is the flagship of President Mahama's Big Push infrastructure program.
COVID by 5 years new, but it still feels like it happened years ago. And if there's a because of a yes project within 3 years, yeah, President Mahama Nankasa can solve a 10 year whole Ghana no, was going to a construction ground, which means the construction is because of Ankasa a dying Big Push project agendas in the but this one deserves its own video. Afterwards, no more drop video be detailing no more mubeye. Let's go through it.
The Accra-Kumasi Expressway is the flagship of President Mahama's Big Push infrastructure program. It is Ghana's first fully modern 6-lane bi-directional Class A expressway, a highway worthy of a nation on the rise.
Why no no? 3 air saying cars 3 saying air back. So which means that already now no traffic so. Like, you know, the normal one year, one by for most of the road. Baby, where you 2 core, baby, where 2 ba. But this one, the 3 core, 3 ba. And this is going to be Mahama and the Big Push agenda. And this is going to be the flagship. You see, NDC are very smart when it comes to some of the policies and the projects somewhere. You know, say when it comes to voter region, for example, NDC has voted down. But imagine if they are able to do this, linking Accra to Kumasi, very short way. Ashanti people are going to be happy. You see. So if NPP for a second say more Ashanti region down, they should seriously rethink things again. Because NDC are not just doing projects, they are coming for the whole Ashanti region. And if that happens, well, you bet you 2073.
Stretching 198.7 kilometers, this expressway will become the central spine of Ghana's economy, linking our capital city to Kumasi, the heartbeat of the Ashanti region.
198, almost 200 kilometers of new roads, 6 that and no mobile so it's not like 50 kilometers road type thing be. And I don't see how they are going to do this very quick within 3 years. And I'm all the way excited about this project. And this new road no be pass it through the region. I think I hear my can say video now. So we be pass it through address was Samanka say Achimoda of Fuase. That is I think you pon krumo no. Of Fuase yirbi and anya sa na efre ho no. Well, they are coming for everybody.
It will cut through the greater Accra, the eastern regions, creating a powerful southern-northern economic corridor that connects people, markets, and opportunities. To achieve this, the expressway follows a brand new alignment. This alone reduces the current travel distance by more than 50 kilometers.
That statement is not kind. I need to hear this video. From Accra to Kumasi, or city's road, it will cut down the length to reach Kumasi by 50 kilometers. Do you know how long 50 kilometers is? And if the new road you're about constructing, about cut it down 50 kilometers here. And imagine how Kwanisu will be kind of, free, basically. That means Amavu are going to get to Kumasi much faster. So before they take you like 3 hours, now I bet me take you half of that time. No? Because keeping in mind not just 50 kilometers less, but also the fact that new roads are quite free. No? Because so much developed countries or more highways here. Or fast one, you have to pay. You bet your tone in your account. So this one, no. Always I was saying, dear private investor, you obey this type of project. You're private, not the toll so. Now for the real coin, I don't see kind of the shema but toll now bet you will pay back the scada why they were investing in. No. Because toll for at the time, yes, so much discount road and imagine more people would like to travel on a good road or more car in Konkopai. Good road, I'll get everything and then they will reach their destination much faster. So if this is something most people, myself, would like to take this rather than there. But I couldn't portals, I also accidents and stuff like that. So if from Accra to Kumasi can be cut short by 50 kilometers.
This alone reduces the current travel distance by more than 50 kilometers, bringing it down from 250 kilometers to just under 199 kilometers.
Quick!
The impact on time and efficiency will be remarkable.
Remarkable indeed, if they are able to pull this off.
Honorable Ato Forsen, Finance Minister, Enuton, Ena Magreb, actually, Eddie Amaya. Abuzia, energy sempa, me sure what me na nyafin can be. Mekan Simbia was how kind actual. Would you say you were Mahama betting in the NDC about betting Ayakwan we are? Abuzia, photo comment section. 3 years no mun timi and photo comment section and they are not just se o be take over Kumasi o mo je aboso abusua se o betimi yes ade we next Kumasi for one kai Ghana for one kai dey almost so kakosi se be to asan dey mo atfo so 12 13 14 account akwa ene MPP for the position achepa ene ba omia itira che sa na NDC 4% mo abusua yembra back ni medi enkomo a edi no channel we so channel we etiri mo po ne say oman ba bia no security nsem ebeto din abonefo Nigeria for foreigners for bebre na e Fridays Nigerian for mu di bone ya ne titi Nigeria for na yekofa bae no ebetu ase na enina ye ho atoye e wo channel we so de bia back to back e de ma ene unimi a unim se channel ya me wo so me random videos na do mahene ye wo tumfo ahensem o ekoba ne ba kwa nkan ya betena ha na ya de atoto bebi o se atoto ye medi obi atembati aka de se de sitie nsema ye trend okorum ye kofa na de aba na aka wansem but ya start is Igbo must go Nigeria must go born back to back de mamo sa means so because we dey hu ni say nkrofo edi bone e wo ye mantem ne ya momodin simi ye nkrofo ehu na se o man twom ho emfisa nkrofo mu a de oye ne bebre empu sa aban na ntu wana montempo a ye nkromani no ye be ye betu ye ho fo ansa aban no etu wana mo come to think of it se o mantem ne ye to bola egu baabia ye tubola gu gata bi musa na se ye timamfo no ye na sebi enim de yakɔ school ana sebi yankɔ school kwa enim nyansa no ye hu se gata ya wodi pane se enwu egu mi na se etwoki be se ensu to a ensu ni timi mfam nko ebebu so egura mu amwo mantem ho ina adem ntimi srew sa gata mo menhwe ne yenyi mu bola ni nyina na se like ende yenya bola na yetugu mu se de be yansu ni to a benyi baby afa akɔ se wi wo kan anya aban na ye wo timamuni ana se wo mama pa ana se wo na wo mantem ho na wo true light to so na mo bia hu ye anya aban na be fix ye so what I'm doing here is make true light dey atoso aban no pom mehwe ya na me ni atu ye hofo e dey free abonefo ensem Ghana for no bi edi bone but Nigeria for no kofa bai o mule ambush o no ma na ekɔ na eba nti me catch yourself foreigners no ye abufo ameno ka say me next video South Africa for ATC street to full last week ba nyina de abusua o mo no mu no okrom ho afi de o mo wodo o mo fiefie e twom pie so o mo nkom krom enra me de video ni bi ebrel ewo funny saying that particular video me papa no e free Germany e de buy no you get it yeah entini de can say obi anhwe no musu yi but ye ka kire aban no Yura Mahama he says John Dramani Mahama ekwan we be take 3 years ye hwe attention na nisika ne nema be kɔ hɔ etiase e pranacho ya ho bambɔ nsɛm no nsoso no omma interior minister ne foreign minister affairs which is Okudito Ablakwa na emu taka no munyina hɔ na mbɔ master 5 ma ye ndai be kan immigration wasɛm ye gusu aye kanya no anko ye kan wo kurum ho ahia ye ndɛ ye sere omma sadi wi ento yi ma be kɔ ye kɔre de ye hu sɛ omo mmeka nkyerɛ ye sɛ omo deport sankofo nyina so obi anko nkurum omo mmeka nkyerɛ sɛ omo to ye bari ye borders ne nasefo aka ne eno omo nyina ne tena kurum ya te ase but omo stand omo gina mu Ghana ha nsi se wo ba ha so be business a hwem yo business wo ba ha so be ton ade a hwem ton ade se ye mamufo bi wa Nigeria omo yo modwuma omo focus so onti se Ghana ni bi akuku Nigeria wo akuku se gba akuku nawe akọ kidnap no okura wo se ne hwan akọ show cyber security even cyber fraud so man hwan se romance scam nkoto se na Ghana ni bi akuku Nigeria ono wo ye bi omo ne be sha ha eye bi na yoko boss achi emrantie bi a omo ye efani say scam yi bi me the next video am about South Africa for whole story na ekoso no me na me de eno so iden e abro nti Yura Mahama se wa start tackle nyema bi a me sa kwa na damakuma so se ekwa we ye busua chese stretch we nti ye nyamba bu bi nya blogger bi a journalist bi a wo kurum ha ama se do nka ho asem fa nkyira ban tu ho na mom na mum se bi nkwase asem ni se hunu si yentina kamera mu nkyerɛkyerɛ obi a wo japade mu de betimi akyerɛkyerɛ si yentina kamera mu embo aban achi se obi ediska de yebeka na mum ade na ye nkwa na de bia mo amufa so mu kwa mu vit mo de fa so koba asebi Yura ba womia pre sebi opre Frankatufo ne Mahama pri ya obakumasi wo nkasa ne bodyguard kwan wo so enam so kohwe ne kra wo ne yere efa akwan no so accident esi ye no ekofa wo ye de bae enkura 15 akọ 16 or 15 akọ wo kwan wo so chese ahometewo helicopter crash esi ye ya discover ehu de ma ko ade no ko hwe fam but as at now nkla ne nkla ye hu say driver negligence ana say carelessness no ko boye say onum ka ni twi so aboro so de nkla ne ko ne si ye ya ko fa investigation bi amfa ma ye de ba nso so a empia bonten if so omo nye stars ana say be nkla na omo nye oman no esimbofo nti ye mfa ho but san nkla ne nka bi benyini abe MP abe ya mampedifo abedi de sectors bia no abeboa ebi oman konko Ghana enti so omo so metaka kwan ne dia edo twede ampoase munye fast na saa kwan no eso nte boni a ekoso saa kwan no so nte ewudie accident nso so eso nte na bibia ntim nye bokọ ese mo amutimi ye kura na be fachi sika de ama oman no be fachi sika de ama aban no be san so e de nimunyam abremo ankasa o party ni so oman no so you president nso wo ya ama oman ne dia omo wa ye wi a sebi okotena fia yene ne be fa kwan so bi dia ba no ni de bia ye so be fa so ye wi a ti ase nko de be benefit ye nyina Kwame Nkrumah ye wi a Kwame Nkrumah late and ye voter region kwan up to now Tamale so voter region kwan up to now ye da so de kai no say on na ye sa kwan ni nyina this ye wi Mahama so ye ase de Maghreb kan ye de be kai no ono so yakase ye nya president bi no ababa se una president ono na titam etaka okwan we eye maya enne otweda mpo Kwame Dawroma ye ho atoya etimi koso akone abadie ekoba ma bibia tibi ye bokọ yesre no ye ho ba mo nsem no susu ne ye bomoden ebone nkae se Nigeria mazgo Igbo mazgo yesre omo nkwade a wenya ba kasa ono ankasa kwa Nigeria kwa no kotana ye no mass deportation there's no xenophobic but omani mo ye hu yesre no omani mo ye hu abone ye fo adoso enkotwi ekobrema nyina no so ekowie Nigeria fo yi ene di sansem funwe ekrum hanum se tiwura yesre nim se de ade tu onimu a oye maye oye listening president said Asiru Nkatia be kan no NDC mo ye listening party mo na say mo aban wo so mo na ebobom din enye MPP4 omo de say omo hu de omo ye mpo abro nye kase ko ka kase ba wo me kase ze ba wo me kwa dinya simpie so a de o ka bia you know omo de o ka ko wi obi e kan de say ne yele say ni kunu join party 24 years omo ngase dem no ba join party na sa ebi o ko wale na ye no kwa so say 17 years is which is which into omo ni nankasa no omo saa party no is omo nankasa contradictions no mo contradict omo na onum do omo keka is no MP NDC aban ene no omo ti kro omo bu omo han into omo ni no omo no ene omo be kasa MPP de omo is omo prime minister into omo ni abre iwe Kennedy nam ha omo nam ha we nam ha ban champion into no de mutu wi a nam da be face de omo so NDC fo be yi no na yehu de oman no mo pese mo amude kugina but yehu ba mo nsem na puntu de mo de ba na se bibi mo se yeka ho asma na bibi etima boko so mutimi ya be benefit wo because wo a wo hweme no se se wo ni Ghana mpo a wo ba bi wo Ghana ofasa akwan so wo a wo hweme wo ofase wo yere wo kunu bi a ofasa stretch ne so ndi se ekoba se ye no kama de ama nyina ho beto ye ho beto na ama wo ba bi ana se wo yere wo kunu bi etu kwan a ayemhihia kora da wo so na swat e de amo o hwese de kwan no eda ho a omo de atia efe very nice road so in fact what TV mu e screen so na ti say na say ba life usia be kama and 3 years na de yenim so betim da yana so mutimi mfanye hwe soame magazine besima akura abusia hwe number of chase ache almost starting a year akufu at the time Mahama be ko 1 year akwanu guso omunwie ye traffic de beba echien kure ayere bi nyina yese de ye friend saying ayere bi fu ase ha omo de interchange eko ti aban no emu so obo adwuma but ye security nsem no oman no kidnapping na doso Nigeria for ne yakofo bai ti serewi ba Mahama oye ni nyina serew no budget nso no ye hu bibia so obi abesi ne ho hene a ontunu ho ade so na brichi ye mra ya nte omando esa hene nyina tu ho ye seremo ya ye bom nkai se nyina tu da so ye hene da so sisi na hen fofo nti mo hwe homa ye ayin on SS so ye Igbo leader or Nigeria for leader but Nigeria for ti kromu a e bokro no e wia niema e ye fraud na sefo ti so no so onye fraud dia ene mo mo de ntonsan fe no mo kan chen so onye meeting se du tim kusi ayewa Mahama kajen se appreciate na group na watene na appreciation or appreciating support or support with the community hon krono bo no ka che no ommomodin no nsan enka nche ne se omfre ne mlante ni nyina megu ne palace wo no ntu omofo na Ghana fo na sori ameni brete se South Africa fo a wan hwe de yebekuru mu ha no ebe change no phobic na omo ka no wan hwe de yebekuru mu ha no ebe change de mu hunu e won kofa ma so se ye chiesi wo mo no Ghana mabunu no obia eni asuja ye nhwe se sebi omo ahoho abonefo a su eni adwomoni ahye omo fa se kan so mo de wo bi omo nwene ho omo fo so mu so mu ku omo nwene ho omo atinku omo ho ewe yentimi eno mo ntina kurum ha asomdwe like nkwase like kikikikini ezu no mo ntina kurum ha so me di mo no abro mo ho asede a omo ni boni bia de a and I don't think say Ghana ni bia nko be complain bia because if it's no mo ntina kurum ha enye nne koto nu penso no mo ba no mo ko no mo ba no mo ko no mo wa ha ti sabri ye agency mu a agire ni kro te kurum akro no ni nyansa kra e kaseti omo ne ma boni ene omo su no mo ba tantan no o kaseti ade a then I think say edubra wo say ye adwene no ho adwuma yempelifo esremo we gamshen no ena munye ho adwuma emaye nkwasiafo yi o ma adwene no manye ho adwuma o me form ano na ebema edin fufuro bi abetage party na otisu na owuli no president na otisu no se wo ba ye kura no si o we de takao ena wo yewu so comment section ena wo ba ye ena ye koye wak na wo makowu ena ha ehye ena has asib se bi aban no kwa na koso mu kodi sa abon no but say de tag no dia ena de be kotwi kobre manyina de be tag aban no ti monhwe na monye hoyi na atofo sen nye finance no kwa na be hwe so wo act as a defense minister esrew bomodin na hwe sa na manyina afama ye wo de report masa ministers no de de sa sectors no no monhwe emaye okuje to abla kwa obuso obo adwuma invest for bebre na Nigeria for no mu use Ghana card ene your passport eho koho na ho so ko fix maye nye kwan nko na mbeye na mase bebre abusia hanom do besi ahaji am media bo modern subscribe channel like na abuso ko ngo nya kakraka let me know your thought on the comment section atim de bi enim an ya fo adwun chefa to se de ya pani no bo no beto so a nso e bi no hu de ode o man no ebefa eni am jiso e na ya bra ya ana akokọ GH ebe wi ase na yense me ebe se hye bi it is what it is bye bye.